The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. 3D printing technology is supposedly new, but technically it can be dated back to 1984 when the technology was actually patented by Charles Hull, an American engineer, who invented stereolithography apparatus. The technology first hit the manufacturing roadblock. Even after the patent was conferred, it took another 6 years to actually manufacture the machine. It was built in 1992. By the same time, a startup named DTM Corp. Invented the world's first selective laser sintering machine. This time the technology hit a commercial roadblock. It was far from commercially viable, and after years of struggle, it struck gold in the year 2000 when the world's first 3D printed organ was implanted in a human body. 3D printing technology shook the world for good, and from then onwards it never looked back. Scientists and researchers noticed the potential and future prospects, and suddenly a 2-decade-old technology seemed to be the newest craze in the world. The world saw regular innovations, new applications, its viability, and even commercial usage on large scale. Succeeding in marketing 3D products is not a cakewalk, especially with the wide range of innovative inventions all over the marketplace. If something does not seem promising, do not exhaust your efforts pushing it through. Try out and advance what seems to be yielding fruits. More importantly, concentrate on giving your customers quality that is above and beyond what others are offering, especially from traditional designers, who have a strong stand in the market. Making money with 3D printing is quite easy, but can be an intimidating task if you miss the right approach. It doesn't necessarily take giving yours all, you also need to work smart to land a competitive edge as a beginner. With these tips, you can always make it easily and start earning some good money with 3D printing. When you start creating 3D products, the next step you think of is working to hone your professional skills. Then from there, you advance to looking for an ideal market where you can sell your products. However, if you are not making the right products, or do not know what you can create and sell, advancing in 3D printing industry may not come easy. Well, here are the top 13 things that you can create with 3D printing and sell to advance your business and creativity. Customized shoes, also known as flip-flops. Sometimes people perceive this product as more complicated than it is, but it is just another idea of a product you can create and make money. The best thing about this product is that it can be unique, simple and fast to print with a large margin. Architecture models. You can take this as either a service business or e-commercial business. You can produce several buildings, varying in sizes and style, which should be custom printed. This is a growing sector, where you can get recurrent customers. Robotic kits. This product only calls for creativity in production, but they offer an excellent opportunity to make money. They are high-ticket innovative products, ranging from self-balancing RC style, air hockey bots, and the controlled whiteboards. Vases. The perspective here is not about having 3D printed items but producing beautiful, luxurious, and attractive things. The good news is that these types of products are easy to establish a market with, require little skills. However, you may need some creativity to succeed. Retro Raspberry products. In this field, only your creativity can determine how far you can go. They are fun to create, and feature a broad range of ideas, and are a great opportunity for opening future frontiers. 3D printing is a dynamic industry. You can go with the current trend and keep people hooked on your products. You should be able to create something within a short time, but it is one of the best ways to make money. If you beat the others to the market, you stand to enjoy significant benefits. This is a fascinating part of 3D printing since drones are gaining speed, power, and popularity. This can offer you excellent customer traffic if you can specialize here and provide quality products. The niche is growing fast and does not require high-tech printers to create these items. Earlobes are never the same to everyone, they vary in a wide range. This offers an excellent opportunity to chip in and make money with these products. The owner can buy the earphones from the shop, and you make the custom buds for them. They are cheap to produce, offer a high margin, and it is a great niche to pursue. PC Case's product ranges as high-end, but most people would be more pleased to pay for a lasting and customizable one. Their advantage is the attention they command on social media, which makes them more attractive by the day. Fetus. You can cash in with this great product. What makes this product a go-to choice for many is its easy access, complete 3D files and the fact that it is a unique product. Ornaments and jewelry. These beauty ornaments and accessories are a cherry for many. You can design whatever you are good at making, and still get some real cash. They offer a potential opportunity, and are in high demand throughout the year. You can never go wrong with these products. Movie props. These are realistic props in strong demand among gaming die-hards. Although you may need to keep an eye on the legalities when it comes to selling these products, they offer a great opportunity for big sales. They are also highly viral on social media, making them more attractive and on demand every day. Nerf guns are enjoying a significant level of climbing success, and if you take advantage of this trend, you can be well on your way. They are advancing from child toys into great office warfare. You can jump into action and make a fortune from these potential products. The products you can make with 3D printing to make money are almost inexhaustible. All you need is the right approach to investing, and being well skilled for the product you choose to pursue, and success in marketing your 3D printed products will follow. Please subscribe to Financier Pro YouTube channel.